So first I'm going to show the 1000 data points. I'm going to do /client, and I'm going to show it for number 10. So I got the time it took for the server to send it back. Now I'm going to check these data points by going to the BIM. I'm going to compare my x1.csv file that I made with my 10.csv file, and it shows that at line 1000 is where the first difference is. So what that means is 0 through 999 was all the same, which means I copied over 1000 data points correctly. Next, I'm going to show myself loading files in. So I'm going to do /client and then -f, and I'm going to load in. I already made the files, so I'm just going to load them. Oh, my bad. I forgot to change. There we go. So there, the file length 100, total time it took for the request, and then it ended. The next one is going to be 256, and that one went smoothly, and the next one is going to be 1000 dat. So that is the file loading, task 3. Then for number 4, tests with varying -m arguments, I'm going to go in here real quick, and if I don't change this, then it will always give me a stinky message. So I have to, it's in the common right here. I'm going to change this to 10 megabytes. But what's going to happen is every time I'm determining what it's going to be through my client, through right here, through my buffer capacity, I'm going to be changing it with the -m argument, so it's not going to matter for this one. And I'll change it back when I'm done. And so that's what lets me change it, is because I have to go and change the max to higher. So it would be, I'm going to load, I have a file called big file. It is the lecture. I just changed the name of it. And then we're going to start off with 100. Then we're going to do 100 kilo. And then we're going to do and then that is the 1 megabyte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I get 0.03. So it's going faster, faster, faster. And then this would be the 10 megabytes, but I believe, yes, I did. And that's even faster. So it was all for the big file. And now I'm going to go back and change this. It is in common. This is 256. So I won't change that again. Every time it'll give me a message saying how I'm requesting too much, but it'll still output correctly because I am changing my buffer. So I just did that so it wouldn't be a ton of bad looking messages on the screen. Now I'm going to run, I'm going to make a new channel. So I used a data point and it was person 3 at time 0 with ECG2. I can show you the code. And I do have a quit message. It's only because, so it is right here at the new channel. I requested 302. And then right here, I quit out, which is why it gives me that message. But it's because it runs again, the server, that it gives me the server cannot read anything terminating. But as you can see right here, it did end properly. And then and then I have my wait status at the end here. So this is outside my new channel. It's at the very end. I send a closing message, and I do have the wait status at the very end. If there's anything else. And then I'm also going to show my getOpt up here. I do use getOpt to get all the arguments. I don't use cin at all. And that is it for my client.cpp. And I can show you my file directory real quick. It would be, so here's my I have my received, where I loaded in all those files from before. These are just old ones, but yes, they did load in. And then here's also my bin. So there we go. That is all I got.